What's up mga kasiman? 5 AM natapos ang aming bunkering and we decided to call our agent para ma-pick up kami ng 8 o'clock in the morning. On time ang agent namin and it will take 2 to 3 hours going to Great Wall of China from our port, Tianjin. English proficient din pala ang driver namin kaya walang problema sa communication. Stop over sa expressway, ubihi at nagunat-unat muna kami. Shoutout muna kay Cadet. After a long 3 hours ride, malapit na kami sa Great Wall. And we decided, kasi 11:30 na, mag-lunch. Kasi baka matagalan kami sa pagbaba sa Great Wall of China. Local Chinese restaurant and ordered a local, authentic Chinese delicacies. Enjoy naman kasi mura na, affordable at big serving. Tama-tama sa grupo. Natapos na kami mag-lunch and we are ready to go to Great Wall of China. Do follow, like, share my video, and I will share some tips and what to expect in Great Wall of China.